Right, if you want to make money on YouTube in 2026, there's a pattern that I noticed, and I'm a little bit shaky because I'm holding my phone. I just wanted to take this video on the fly and just publish it. I'm not gonna edit this, I'm just gonna talk about it quickly, and that's it. So if you really want to make money and get a lot of views on your videos with YouTube, there's something that is recurring all the time, and it is whenever you talk about money. That's it. Whether it is how much money you made with YouTube, how much money you made with side hustle, like trading the futures, or anything related to how much money you make, I noticed those videos are getting a ton of views, and you can potentially make an income with AdSense, because the more views, the better it is. So if you really want to make money with AdSense and get a lot of views with your YouTube videos, try to talk about money, finances, anything related to some sort of an income, because it seems like this is a real problem, especially nowadays. The economy is really bad all over the world. I mean, tell me one country where the economy is thriving. Let me know in the comment below, because I would love to know about that, and I would gladly move there. So yeah, so if you talk about any type of money, income, you will get views. So every time, and I noticed that on my channel, but then I looked at other channels and I noticed the same thing. Every time I spoke about how much money I made with such and such videos, or how much money I made with such and such business, that's where I got a ton of views. When I spoke about trading the futures market, which is related to making money online, again, I got a ton of views, a ton more. I mean, my channel is relatively small, so my views are not going to be massive, but I'm trying to study my channel and other channels to understand where is the gap, what should I do to perfect my channel. And I mean, if it is just going back to posting videos about trading the futures market, which I'm back at it, I will gladly do it if that that helps me to boost my channel, because I noticed that tips and tricks about growing a YouTube channel are not really interesting people. I mean, people, they just want a result. They want to have their problems solved, and I feel like making more money is one major issue that everybody has nowadays. The price of fuel is through the roof because of what's going on politically in the world. The price of the housing market where I live, which is in Canada, is insane for what you get. I mean, come on, you get a box for nearly $1 million. It doesn't even make sense. It's made of wood. It's clearly like cheap material, and this is the price you pay. I don't know, it doesn't make sense. So everything is super expensive. The food is insane. The price of food per week for us, we're just a couple, so 2 people living in the house, it doubled. Doubled since last year. Is that normal? Not really. I mean, come on. Everybody said after COVID it would just cool down. It's not cooling down. So anyways, yeah, so if you can talk about money, I promise you will get more views. If you have a simple way for people to make money online so they can get out of their financial issues, debts. Everybody has debts. Unfortunately, the bills are coming every month, sorry, and they're not stopping because the economy is bad and it's getting harder for people to survive. They don't care. They keep coming in. So, yeah, talk about money, talk about ways to make money, or, a simple way to make money for people so they can get out of their financial issue will get you views. I mean, if you try, please let me know how it went. I'm definitely gonna try to maybe like talk more about ways to make money online, and I do have a few ways. YouTube is one. I'm making money with YouTube, and the other way, of course, is my 9-to-5 job, but that is not guaranteed, and we know that it is hard to get a job for the ones who are still looking for work. So that is not a given for everyone. And I'm also trading the futures markets every day, Monday to Friday. So that is now starting to help. It was hard for a few years, but now I'm starting to see a little bit of results. So I can maybe talk about that if that could help some people to get started in an easy way. And maybe, like it doesn't have to be, you don't need to put all your savings in that at all. There are ways to start very cheaply, and maybe I'll talk about that if that can help some people. Just let me know. I'll see you on another video next week. I was MIA for the past 2 weeks because I was overseas, but now I'm back at it, and I'll try to publish that YouTube video every week. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.